Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson is going to be Roadhouse Blues by the Doors, and it's really a blues song. It's a pretty fun song to play. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. So let's get started on the lesson. So I don't know if you're familiar with any sort of blues, like it's sort of a take on that, but it's a little different. And the way I'm able to get the timing right on it is I down pick it all. The way I do that is I'm just down picking on the E string here. I'm not even playing a chord. I'm just hitting the open E string and muting it with my right hand back here. And I hit the A string open, first fret, second fret, and then to do the same thing on the D string, open, and I always down pick it. If I try to up and down pick it, the timing doesn't work for me. So I think that's maybe how Robbie Krieger was doing it. But it goes like this. And then it goes from E to this A. To play the A part, like a lot of blues songs, they start out on an E. When you play the A part, you just want to bar the across the second fret, leaving an open E string. So you're playing sort of an A major chord there. Take your middle finger. You're going to put it on the third fret of the A string. And then you're going to take your ring finger and put it on the fourth fret of the A string. Then you're going to move it down one string to the D string, and you're just going to one down, and then just hit these two middle strings. So from that A, you're going to slide way up here on the 7th fret and make a B major chord. You're going to bar across the 7th fret, take your ring finger, put it on the A string on the 9th fret, put your pinky on the 9th fret of the D string. Put your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G. You can do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide up 1 fret. Then you're going to go back to that opening E riff. So the next time there's a verse and a chorus, there's another guitar doing something like this. What that is this is an E chord right here, but he's sliding up up 1 fret into it. What that is you're going to put your middle finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your first finger on the 5th fret of the D, and your ring finger is going to go here on the G string on the 6th fret, and you're going to pick it, and then you're going to slide up 1 fret. It goes. And that little riff is second fret of the D string, pull off, second fret of the A string, put your pinky down here on the 5th fret of the D string, and then you're going to do it again, but after you get to the A string, you're just going to go back to the 2nd fret of the D string. So it goes. Goes through one of these long Jim Morrison vocal things, and then it goes back into the to the chorus where it's. And then from there, it's going to go back to that B chord. Except the second time when it does it, instead of just going up 1 fret. That's how it did it the first time. So the second time when it does it and it works its way up to the 12th fret. It goes like this. And that outro is going to be, it's going to be 15-12 on the E, 15-12 on the B, 14-12 on the G, and those 2 chords at the end, you're going to make this, you're going to have your middle finger on the 8th fret of the A, your first finger on the 7th fret of the D, Your ring finger is going to be on the G string on the 8th fret. And your pinky is going to go down here on the B string on the 8th fret. And then you're going to slide them back 1 fret. All right? So that's Roadhouse Blues. It might not be perfect, but it's the way I play it. And I hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. Thank you and have a great day.